Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I will be showing you my garden. Look at my dahlias. Aren't they just amazing? Look how many blooms. This one is so big. Ah, this looks amazing. This year my dahlia is really good. Look at the flowers. It's just packed with buds. See, so many buds are coming. Here is another one. Dahlia this year has been great. And this is my poppy. Look at the color of the poppy. Beautiful pink, light pink color. They look amazing. You should always prune these. And here I have the red poppies. And this is a bit orange. And this one is the red one. Poppies are doing great. Poppies are always lovely. And this is called cherry gold, commonly. Look at the rose. This is cherry gold. Here's another one. It's an 8-inch pot. Cherry gold. And here is my gazania. Gazania is blooming really, really well. And they're flopping over. The color changes. Look, the yellow and red, and it becomes white-ish. And this here, this is impatiens. Impatiens are doing great too. Impatiens are lovely. Look at how many blooms. Look at this calendula. The nursery gave me this free. So I planted it in a small pot, but it's doing great. Brinjal. Brinjal is coming. I will make a video about brinjal soon. And here is my California poppy. California poppies are lovely. Here is another impatiens. Look at my pom-pom dahlias. These are called pom-pom dahlias. This is a small but very sturdy and very beautiful plant. You can grow them. They're very easy. Pom-pom dahlia is also doing great. And here is my stalk. Look at the stalk size. Here's a small stalk. And here is a big stalk. Let me show you. Oh, look at this. Look at my broccoli. Ooh, I'm going to harvest it soon. Broccoli is in a this is an 8-inch pot, and it's really good. Here is mimulus. I don't know if you know this plant. This is a great plant. I will make a video soon. Mimulus. I have a yellow one and I have a pink one. This is snapdragon, dwarf snapdragon, or antrinum. Snap. This is a small one, and this is the big one. It's about to bloom. Look at the yellow color. Here is this is the orangish reddish color. These plants grow tall. This is a tall variety of snapdragon. Look how tall this is. And here's the hollyhock. The hollyhock is going to be 50 feet tall. Look at this hollyhock. This is not blooming yet, but this one is blooming. And And here is mallow. Mallow is a great plant. I already have a video on mallow, you can check it out. And this is my lovely cosmos. This year the cosmos is huge. Look at the size of the cosmos. They're always lovely. Cosmos are always lovely. You should definitely grow cosmos in your garden. And here, this is cineraria. This has a lovely scent and it looks really, really good. Look at this. Look at the color. The color is amazing. Isn't this a lovely plant? This is a shade-loving plant, so it's in shade. And here's another gazania. This is coreopsis, not yet blooming but about to bloom. Aster, and look at this petunia. Lovely petunia. This is a very unique color. Look at this texture. This is a blue one, and this is phlox. Phlox is really lovely. Phlox has a amazing scent. This plant has an amazing scent. I love this plant. Look at the plants. And they bloom really, really well. Roses, this is rose sadabahar, is about to flower a lot. Look at that. 500 buds. And here is another rose. I don't know the name of this, but this is gonna bloom too. And this is my classic white rose. Look at that. It almost looks like a David Austin rose. Look, it's flopping everywhere. Looking bad. This is a rose. Let me show you another plant. This is a daisy. Oh my god, aphids. Look, aphids. This is a daisy. I don't know what type aphids. This is a daisy. I don't know what type of daisy. I'll let you know later. Look at my mulberry plant. So many fruits are coming. This is another petunia. This is salvia. And this is called Dianthus Sweet William. This is really lovely. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. This is really lovely. I love this plant. And this also has a lovely scent. So it's a great plant. Here's another salvia. And these are some petunias. This is a salvia. This is a coreopsis. Oh, this is a nasturtium. I think it's flowering. Here it is. Nasturtium. So that is it. Here's my garden. Oh, tomatoes. Look at the tomatoes. So this is it. This is my garden. I have a very small rooftop garden. I will be giving you more updates. This was a small tour. I hope you liked it. Look at the dahlias. Oh my god. So that's it. I will be posting more. So stay tuned and keep supporting. Happy gardening, and I will see you soon. Bye.